Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Before starting the video, my sincere request is please don't skip this video. Watch till the end so that you will get an idea about this model. In this video, we are going to solve one of the important model from percentages. I have already uploaded up to 3 models, so please check in my channel or else I will provide the links in the description. Now let's solve this. In a college, 40% of students pass in science and 50% of students pass in maths, but 20% fail in both. So we need to find percentage of students passed in both. This For this kind of questions, we'll solve by using Venn diagrams. So let us take two Venn diagrams. The first one is science and the second one is maths. For this kind of questions, we need to take first of all percentage of failed candidates. It is given 20% of students failed in both. So we'll take 20%. What it is given in a college, 40% of students pass in maths, pass in science. See, 40% of students passed in science means we get 60% failed in science because it is out of 100. Only 40% of students are passed. So we get 60% of failed. We can write 60, but already here we written 20%. 60 minus 20, 40. Okay. Next, maths. How many students are passed? Only 50% of students passed in maths. 50% passed means 50% failed in maths. So we can write here 50. Already here we written 20. So we can write 30. Now percentage of failed. 40%, 20%, 30%. So we get 90% of students are failed. What we need? Percentage of students passed in both. Out of 100, if we minus 90%, we get 10%. So this is the required answer. It means 10% of students passed in both. Hope you understood this video. For more videos, please do subscribe. Thank you.